Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you a very beautiful flower arrangement that you can use this at the wedding tables with baby breath and beautiful roses. So now what we need is we need a sponge, which you have to soak that so it will absorb very good water, and of course your any plate that you want, you can put it. Here we have a lot of roses. I'm gonna pick them up and I'm gonna make very pretty arrangement that you can see at the table when they have round table they are sitting. Of course we're gonna need it all around people to see it. So we're gonna start. We don't want to make it too high, so this way we can see each other face when we are sitting at the table. All right, we're gonna start from the middle. What a beautiful rose. You should make it closer and see how beautiful it is. All right, now make sure, like I always say, the roses, you have to make sure that, let's go a little deeper, and then we're gonna make it like a mountain. I always say Mount Ararat mountain. Let's put some out. We don't want to leave the roses too long out, because when you do that, the roses will get some air and then they won't last too long. Let me see if we have any shortcuts. They're all long. So let's do this. I guess I have to put them back because we don't want the roses to get air, otherwise the heads, it will fall and they won't last too long. All right, so now we put it this way. Now we're gonna put this way. We don't want too short, so this way it goes nice into the water, but you don't leave too long either, so they, when you're putting it into the sponge, they won't disturb each other. All right, now we have already 4 corners. Now we're gonna put them in the middle of the flowers, roses, and we will put close next to it. There you go. And we're gonna put this way. And now we're gonna put here both sides, one here and one the other side. Look at how beautiful roses. I just love them. Sometimes I say it's like eatable. And I want to say something, that with these roses, maybe one day I will make a rose gem for you, that you're gonna fall in love with the rose gem. That's what we used to do it. And my grandmother, they used to do rose gem, and people, they will love it. Our aunts, they used to do that in Aleppo, and then they used to have, I don't know from where they bring their roses, they used to have smell. Even when you're eating, you can smell the taste of the rose. They were very, very tasty. My father's sisters, they used to make it, and every time we used to go to Aleppo, Syria, or if we didn't go, they used to bring it when they used to visit us. And one of my sisters, she used to get crazy about it. You can make very delicious jam. One day, if I have the chance, I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna show you. And then when you have a garden, you won't let your roses go for a waste. The way God created everything, I have to say to you, everything is useful. It is. Look at the roses, how beautiful they look. Now I'm going to put the 4 corners, the bottom parts. There we go. And we need, I guess, a couple more. This corner. And I think one more we will do. This is very beautiful arrangement for wedding table. And when you want to do at the table, you don't want to make it kind of too tall, unless you have to do very skinny, because when they are too tall and when you are sitting, you cannot see each other's face. You want something very low, delicate, soft, so this way people, they don't have to turn their head left and right. Now we have a lot of baby breads here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill them in, but I don't want to make it too tall than the roses. Maybe a couple, if it goes up, down, it's okay, but we want to make sure we will see the roses more. And the baby bread, it should be very gentle to come out from the roses. Let's put this in here. Look at this. This is really beautiful roses it is. If you get married, put this on your table, decorate them, at least for the bride and a groom table. We're missing one little rose here. There you go. Who doesn't like this kind of beautiful arrangement into their house and see them, watch them, enjoy them? There you go. I have to say, I want to say something secret. Sometimes when I go for a walk, and if I see any beautiful rose, that it's a unique color they have, which all the roses, they are unique and beautiful, I'll just cut a little piece and I'll bring it home and I'll try to grow them in my garden. It's just that at this time I have chickens in my backyard, front yard. I have the turtle, I have the chickens. They are kind of destroying. So I have to, I'm starting them into the pots. Look at this flower. I have to say, it's very, very simple and easy to do flower arrangement. If you go to the flower shop, just buy the roses or market, whatever, and bring them home and you decorate, because it will be inexpensive for you and it will be beautiful. At least it will be your art, your decoration. And whoever you give it to, they are gonna think you bought it from flower shop. Well, you can do those things. Why don't you should do it and have fun with it? It's your art. There we go. Look at this, how pretty it is. Now, I think even just like this itself, it's beautiful. But I'm gonna just put couple little fern again. We can even do, let me see, the bottom maybe a little filler. It will look nice. Just couple here and there. Some greens, so what it does, we will cover the sponge. There you go. Like I said, the roses, they can adapt any kind of green you have. It will make it very, very beautiful. Always greens brings the flowers, any arrangement, it brings it to life. There we go. And there, here we are. And I don't think we need any more than this. And I want to say this is so beautiful. Let's say that if I'm sitting here and with my company, when I talk, we can see face to face. And the arrangement, it's beautiful. They are going to talk about what a beautiful flower, what a beautiful arrangement it is. So, well, I hope that it will help you, that you can do it at home yourself, and you can give presents at your dinner time and your lunch table, or whenever you have a guest, you put it, and it will be pleasure. Even when you have a dinner, you will eat even with so beautifully. You will enjoy it, even the dinner. So, well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you'll do this. I give you ideas, and you can have any suggestion, you can give me, and I will be glad to learn, to see, to understand. And I thank you very much. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel and like. Bye bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.